Good evening, madam. My name is Bovindara Shanalaki Segaran. My note matrix is 30 DLS 22 F2044. We are going to talk about interview. The one we said is for freight operation. And what is the freight operation? What the main purpose and what is the importance? And the last one is the stakeholder. Okay, what we can see from what are freight operation about? Freight operation is the refer of a process involved in transportation, handling, and delivery of goods and communication. This compass all the activities with movement of a freight, such as logistic planning and transportation management, inventory management, and packaging to coordinate the various of the transportation mode. We have four modes that the content is road, rail, air, and sea. So most of the freight will be using two types normally happen. First is the sea freight and the air freight. After that only from the traveling is too long. After that only it will be to the road and rail. Depend on the goods and the size of the goods. Operation rules and ensuring the destination efficiently on time and in the correct condition. Next, we can see for the main purpose of freight operation. That means is the content with the efficient of a movement goods. The main purpose is ensure the smooth and the cost efficient and timely transportation goods from the point to point to the origin destination. Because the efficiency of a goods, it's more to the time of management to reach to the end user. Supply chain and integration. Freight operation are critical parts of the overall supply chain system management. Integrate transportation with inventory management, warehousing, and distribution. Next, we can see for cost optimization. Costs are main of the supply also, because more we are lack of planning, it will cause more cost in logistic transportation or supply chain management also. So its content with the freight operation reduce the cost of transportation by selecting most of approach modes with selection, optimizing road and reducing delays, because the customer need the goods reach to on time with that. Customer certification, ensuring goods are delivered time manner and expecting the condition of is keep maintain the customer certification, because we are trying to make sure they don't have any defect when we are transporting a goods to another industry or retail or commerce or manufacture also. Next, the last will be the complaint of a regulation. Freight operation must ensure all the activities and complaint various and national in international regulation and relate with the custom safety standard and environmental law, because a lot of country are deep. There are some of the country is different types of law and regulation they set up to we enter from Malaysia. Okay, let's say from Malaysia to Thailand, they have a regulation. If the Thailand from to Malaysia, they have a regulation, but very hard to make sure. So if we need to be ready time to time, because they keep changing after COVID, the regulation are keep changing time to time. Next is important of freight. Economic growth. What is economic growth? Efficient freight operation and fundamental trade economy development and globalization. They are enabled to flow the goods across a border, which is both local international market. So we are traveling the goods to international level or local also we are completing. So the global connectivity is a freight operation connect the supplier and customer globally, making a goods to affordable in the different parts of in the world, because we are collaborating with the world with different type of environment method. Next is environment impact. Properly managed to operation can help environmental impact of the transportation through the optimization load, fleet management and optimize and eco-friendly technology. Companies can reduce the fuel consumption and assumption to make sure that the cost is not going higher. Job creation. It's mean the freight sector provides employee across a various area and including logistic and warehouse management and transportation and supply chain management. Next, we are going to stakeholder is in freight operation. Shipper are the one ship the things, the goods. Business or individual who need the transportation good, and they are the one shipping the process, are responsibility to organizing and the transportation requirement. Carrier is it's more to this company are individual that provide transportation service. It's a third party logistic. They can operate truck, ship, airlines or trains to move the goods. Next is freight forwarder. Freight forwarder is almost similar with third party logistic also. Freight forwarder, it's between the shipper and a carrier. They are the third party. The another one also, the carrier is the one who move the goods. Freight forwarder, the one help to manage the good and handle the custom documentation like a K1, K2 until K10. So they the one doing the custom documentation. They are more to declaration. The carrier is a movement of the good. They will just move the goods. Next, custom authorities, government agency responsibility and enforcing the regulation regarding import and export goods. They ensure that approach taxes, custom produce and the followed. So they the one set up the authorities to collect the tax from the next part. So next, third party logistic provider means it's similar to freight forwarder also. They are the one the source the logistic including the transportation, freight forwarding and warehousing and distribution. Next is warehouse operator. Operator is include to companies individual storage and handling goods in transit. They ensure the goods are properly stored, organized, then ready to ship. Next we are going to consumer. Consumer, the one and the end user, they are the certification depend on the timely and safe delivery to product. Insurance provider is a main part of logistic and movement of a good, because we are not sure when we moving a good from one location to another location will be safe or not. Sometimes might be have a damage, losses happen, a lot of right now the heavy rain, the environmental will be keep changing. So they are the one insurance provider will be cover the good transit, helping the manage the financial risk, like losing the one or lose during the transportation. So far this is the my explanation for this. Thank you, Puan Hazlin. I hope whatever I try to explain is more relevant with the question. Thank you very much, Miss Madam, to listen to my video. Thank you very much. Thank you.